Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will solve a very simple yet interesting problem from Code Forces called Helpful Maths. Problem number 339A. This video is perfect for those who are just starting out with coding and want to get comfortable with basic string manipulation and sorting in Python. Let's dive into the problem. In this problem, you're given a string that represents a sum of digits, separated by the plus symbol. For example, a string could look like this: 3 plus 2 plus 1. Our job is to sort these digits in ascending order while keeping the plus signs in between, so the result would be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Let's take a simple example. Imagine the input string is 3 plus 1 plus 2. What we want to do is rearrange these digits in ascending order so that the result becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now let's look at the solution and how we can solve this problem in just a few lines of code. Here's the code we will use to solve this. Let's break this code down step by step for absolute beginners. First, we use the input in function to take the string from the user. The string looks like this: 3 plus 2 plus 1. Next, we split the string into individual parts by using the split open parenthesis plus close parenthesis function. This separates the digits and creates a list. So if our input was 3 plus 2 plus 1 after splitting, the list will look like 3, 2, 1. Then we sort the list in ascending order using the sort function. This changes our list to 1, 2, 3. Finally, we join the list back together into a string using join, but this time we add the plus signs back in between the digits. So the result is 1 plus 2 plus 3. And that's it. We have successfully solved the helpful maths problem by splitting the input string, sorting it, and then rejoining the digits. This approach is simple and works great for beginners. Remember, if you're still getting comfortable with Python, don't worry if things seem confusing at first. Just take it step by step, and you'll improve with practice. I hope this explanation helped you understand how to solve this problem. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. And as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Remember, the code is in the comments under the video, but don't just copy and paste. Try to understand it first. Keep practicing and happy coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!